Good morning, grade 4. How are you today? Today we'll complete our lesson, What is the design process? Today is Wednesday, 29 April 2020. All of you, open pages 362, 363. Lesson objectives. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to communicate the steps in the design process and will use the design process. Today we will take step 7 and step 8. Step 7, communicate results. Many times a team of people work together to design a solution to a problem. It's important to document and communicate with your team members the solution and the data or evidence you collect. There are many ways to document and communicate this information. How? By using tables and graphs can help you communicate data. Also, labeled diagrams, graphic organizers, and lists are also helpful in communicating your solution to others. The procedure for building the solution and for the tests performed in it should be written carefully. So you should write the procedure for building the solution carefully, should be written carefully. So question number 9, identify, circle 2 things you need to communicate to other about your product. So it's solution and data, the 2 things you need to communicate to others, solution and data. Now, other teams members should be able to use your procedures, observation, and diagram to do their own investigation. After you have communicated your results to others, they may help you find solution. If you communicate your result to others, they can help you to find solution to problems with your product. Also, solving one problem may create a new problem. If you solve one problem, may it create a new problem. You should think of ways your solution will affect society. The invention of the airplane made travel much quicker. The invention is for the airplane made the travel much quicker. So if you want to travel from one country to another, if you travel by car, maybe it will take with 20 hours. But if you travel with airplane, it takes only 2 hours. Some inventions can have harmful effects. The noise pollution is a common problem related to airplane technology. So, this diagram was used to communicate information about the design of the Wright brothers' invention to the US Patent Office. Now, question number 10. Explain, tell why diagrams can be an effective way to communicate information. What is it, the answer? Who can tell me? Yes, diagrams can show others how you built your solution. Now, step 8. Step 8, evaluate and redesign. After testing your prototype, you should evaluate how well it solved the problem. You may need to redesign your product. Orville and Welper redesigned their airplane many times. The two brothers redesigned their airplane many times. Since then, airplanes have been redesigned many times by many other people. Modern airplanes have many different designs because they have different purpose. So, planes travel faster and further today than planes the Wright brothers made. This this is a modern jet solves the problem of turning in different way. So this is a modern jet solve the problem of turning in a different way. Redesigning your product will help solve all the problem that you will discover as you test it. The new solution should go through the design process again. Now, who can read for us question number 11? Explain one way this airplane is different from the Wright brothers' first successful airplane. Here you have, if you see here, this is the modern airplane. Modern airplane. On the modern plane, one wing is not above the other. One wing is not above the other. In the modern plane, the one wing is not above the other. Now, question number 12, who can read it for us? What are the steps in the design process? There is 8 steps. Who can remind us? Number 1, identify the problem. 2, do research. Step 3, develop possible solutions. Step 4, choose one solution. Step 5, design and construct a prototype. Test the prototype. Communicate the results. And step 8, evaluate and redesign. So we have 8 steps. The design process, it's 8 steps. Why do you think it's important to communicate your solution to others? Because others may have idea that help improve your design. So because maybe other scientists, they have ideas that will help improve your design. Now I want to show you here a video.
While airplanes are common today, it wasn't always this way. Using the design process, engineers have made airplanes to be bigger, faster, and safer. The design process is a set of steps for developing products and processes that solve problems. The first step in the design process is to identify a problem or find a way to make something better. Researching what others have learned is an important part of the design process. Research allows you to find out what others may know about a problem or what solutions they have tried. After researching, the next step is to develop possible solutions to the problem.
Thank you, my dear students, for your listening, and